see her and you keep her away from me.
Not my child.
I know she's not your child. Yeah.
Eric.
I thought it said dough, baby.
Jack Johnson.
No.
I got it.
Is that your hat?
What?
That's mine.
Okay. Really?
No, it's mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll wear a hat.
Do you like it?
I'm just...
Weird, I never wear hats.
No, just your outfit. Seems strange.
It does? Am I dressing you?
Floyd.
I am?
He's wearing a
With the
big
hip
white shirt
up.
and a
With the
New
hip
York
up.
fitted hat. Damn. I'm not hating.
Damn.
I'm just wondering what you're thinking.
Why is wearing Lady Gaga in a New York hat? She went to NYU.
Well, it makes
I'm gonna
sense.
look.
Play Let It Burn. Play Confessions.
Okay, let me look. Not really.
This is the funniest song I ever heard.
Oh, I took a pen.